everyone, I've just come to share with you a project that I've made, and this is for a friend, so she will be getting this. This will be going off in the mail Friday morning. So I'm not going to say who it is because she might know who it is if she watches the video. She might guess because we did discuss this. Anyway, it's a traveller's notebook journal. It's inside the paper bag, and it's like a stuffed paper bag. I've done some of these before Christmas and different themes, Christmas themes and coffee themes and other themes, but this one is actually much longer than the ones that I'd done previously, and that's only because of the size of the traveller's notebook. So anyway, I'm going to measure it for you. This measures 10 inches by, it is just over 6 inches, but obviously because the traveller's notebook is inside, it's kind of squished it in a little bit. So I've made these using really big bottom block craft paper bags, which I'd ordered, and they were much bigger than I thought they were, but I've still been able to use them. So anyway, I've used a digital kit from ARTYmaze in this called My Sweet Rose, and I will start to show you what I've done. So I created my pouch from the extra large paper bag. I've added some of this lovely lace trim here, if you can see that on the background. I've added a bulb pin and a beaded charm, bead dangle, and in the front pouch here is a lot of the ephemera from that particular kit. So I'll just show you the ephemera. I've backed it, excuse me, I've backed it all onto cardstock. So we've got tags, and I've just used seam binding here. So we've got all these tags, the ephemera, a little bag here, which, not a bag, an envelope with the journaling card inside there. Done some stenciling on that, so the paper clip just goes on there. There's an envelope here, and I just made a journaling card to pop inside that, and the paper on here matches the envelope, so that's that. Not sure it's that way around. Another tag, some big tags. This is a large piece of ephemera, which actually I just trimmed a little bit off the sides there, and another large tag. And here I've just put some crocheted trim. I stamped Make Each Day a Story Worth Telling, backed it onto some coffee dyed paper, and just used my decorative scissors around both pieces. Here we've just got some gauze and a rosette flower, and I had a teeny bit of seam binding left and got a coffee dye some more of that, so I just made a tiny little ball and popped that on there. So that's the bag, and as you can see, it all empty. And the journal here is a traveller's notebook journal, and I've just got some little butterfly charms on there, and it says created for you. I've used a bit of seam binding to just hold it together because I'm not sure whether she will use this on its own or within a Midori or a Fedori. And that's the lovely paper. That was from a paper pad that I got from the range, which is called Romantic Escape, and it's more like cardstock than it is paper. So anyway, let me see if I'm in frame. Let's move this out of the way. So I've made some inside pockets here, and I've made some handmade tags which have been coffee dyed and done some stamping on that. And these were just the little pieces that were left over from cutting this down because it was 12x12. Made a little shaker card there. Pop that in there, and this ephemera is actually from the full-size journal kit and not the Traveller's Notebook kit. So this is the first page, and I've just used the pockets here and got some tags in there, or a tag. Done some stamping, a little bit of stenciling. I didn't do a lot of stenciling, I didn't do it on all the pages. Some scraps that I had left over, this old vintage book page, or a dictionary. The dictionary is a dictionary that I know I got gifted, but I can't remember who from now. Paper bag, some squared paper. Made these up from the this is from the larger kit, not the TN kit. So just done some sewing on there and then just glued that on there. Oops a diddly. Here I just added some of the ephemera pieces. It says memories, and this was a new stamp set that I got, so I made 2 little tags and coloured them in with my Prisma pencils. So I put them in there. Here I just made a journaling card, and this is from one of the stamp sets that I got, and it's like a French kind of cafe scene like on the street. This is from the kits. Just made a little tag, back that onto some card stock, some lined paper, some book page, glassine bag, and here we've just got a little tiny envelope with a little journaling card in there. It's just blank, but it's been inked up, and I've just paper clipped that on. Another tag that I made, and that's the centre with the 2 little butterflies. Another tag here. Another little envelope, it's got a little journaling card inside that. Another one of these dictionary pages. Another stamped image here. And another tag. Love that image. Another one of these little tags. Quite enjoyed doing that, sitting colouring them in, but they're ever so small, and I should have been wearing my glasses. I think I'm going blind, but I was pretty good and kept within the lines. Another one of these which has been sewn around there, and you can journal on the back of that. Paper bag, book page, and I fussy cut these out from the scrap pieces left over from this, and I put one on the other a page on the other half, and this one here. And another tag, and in the back here another pocket with another one of these journaling cards, and another envelope with this journaling card inside it. So that is the little journal, the Traveller's Notebook journal. I really like making these. So like I said, this is for a friend, and I really enjoyed making it, and I hope she likes it. I'm just going to pop all that in there, so I'll deal with this off camera. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.